Wow, this lady's moving pretty good down this road. Look at that, 55. I believe the speed limit is 35. So I'm just gonna talk about just an update on how things have been going here since we've been in Chattanooga, or at least recently. We moved here 4 years ago. Went to work for Sequatchie Concrete Service. They were just recently purchased by a company called Smyrna Ready Mix. And they don't have block plants, and I work at a concrete block plant. So they bought the ready mix side and the block side. So we're going through a transition of new owners. Maybe you should try to turn on your blinker if you're trying to turn. I don't know what they're doing. They're just ridiculous. Used to be a building here. Got wiped out by a tornado. I haven't been down this road since they reopened it after the tornado. That was on Easter Sunday. Seems to be a lot more wide open than I remember. I thought there was a lot more trees and brush along the side of the road. I don't remember being able to see those houses up on the hillside. That's different. See that? That's what people do all the time. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but people don't stay in their own lanes. They don't use turn signals. All right, well, I will see you on the next one.